Hi, welcome to Trade Talks with Jitesh. So, we are post market analyzing what happened throughout the day. It's been Monday mess. Basically, market gapped up and then again it came down. Uh, I took some long positions here, but it was not very aggressive and then exited in the morning itself. Then, throughout the day, the market was very tight in the tight range, as we can see. And then the market gave a breakout at this particular place. I was expecting some good move towards 17,200, 17,120 levels, but before that itself, seller became active and there was massive selling from this particular place around 230, and there was a very fierce sell-off, almost of 0.8%, 0.7%. This indicates that there is still some sellers uh, which are pulling markets down. So as expected, market might be volatile and a range extension move can happen in this week. And range can extend beyond this particular place as well. So this bearish move, as we can see, the intensity is huge. Even though we had good international market support, DAX was up, Asian market was flat, but Europe market opened positive. But still, we sold off very aggressively. So this indicates that there is underperformance in Indian market. So if this underperformance, if this momentum picks up, then we could be undercutting these lows. And once these lows are cut, so there might be a fierce momentum, specifically undercutting the September lows, which actually happened in Nifty 50 equal weight. Uh, this is one chart where it is not the Nifty, this index is not driven by the weightage given by the NSE. So it is equally weighted index, all the 50 stock. So it has already closed below September lows, and the trend is pretty much evident. It is a downward trend. So if the momentum picks, as the stocks were down, the only thing was managed was index. Index was managed in the first half, and in the second half there was massive sell-off. So there is a very good possibility that we might go below 16,800 levels as well if this momentum picks up. As seller are hyperactive, and there is still bearish momentum which might continue. This is for the Nifty. A similar case in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, the sell-off was more fierce, and I was planning to take some long positions here, but as we can see, the market closed above that, and the closing figures are here. So let's see for the tomorrow's market, and I'm not planning some major aggressive long positions. Market is volatile and better to be hedged and take small quantities. And if it favors in your positions, you can increase the quantity. But yes, again, small, book profit as early as possible because market this volatility can take some direction. So it's better to be safe than regret or repent. This is for the Bank Nifty, and the Bank Nifty has closed in a very tight narrow range. So once this narrow range is broken out for tomorrow's trading plan, we could see some direction picking up. And similar case happened with Nifty as well. Nifty also was in a very tight narrow range closing, but it was volatile session. All the way from the top till bottom, it was roughly uh, somewhere between 150 160 levels, 160 165 8-year value. So that would give us some indication that if there is a range breakout from here or here, the momentum might pick up. So this is where we need to be very cautious, very careful. The today's ATR, the average true value is around 200. So any directional momentum picks up. So 200, 250 travel would be very easy. If there is a momentum picking up on the downside, So 16,900, if the levels are broken, then it might even go to 16,700 levels as well. So momentum might pick up on the downside as well as on the upside. Upside taking roughly at 17,250 to 60 levels. So broader ranges, yes, this, but the momentum will be very fierce. So better be careful, trade wisely. Thank you for joining Trade Talks with Jitesh.